These are excellencies. Yesterday they are meeting. Dealing with young people is a big job. It's real work, and we can only do as much as we can. So we want to use we want to see if we can tap into common platforms to raise the voices of young people. We want to see if we can tap into joint efforts to increase the lobbying, the advocacy, the influence, to see how young people can be better, especially with governments and international organizations and international NGOs. Yes, we've discussed a series of issues, some proposed reforms that can align the two organizations to a common front, and then see how they can work together. They can tap into common approaches to work together. Definitely, you realize that we have structures, we have national mechanisms in different countries arising out of which we form the basis for organizations. Some of them are common to both organizations, some of them are different.
The young people are beneficiaries of the leverage of these institutions, that the two institutions can provide a platform where they can find adequate expression in the challenges that they are confronted with. So coming here, it's a routine working engagement between us and Afro-Arab. The Pan-African Youth Union has been working with the Afro-Arab Youth Council for some time now, and it's just simply renewing that engagement and trying as much as we can to identify key areas that would keep amplifying the work that we do in respect of youth.